to write pre-sales and great sales letters. Let's get started. Generally speaking, as an affiliate, it's not your job to sell a product. Your job is to get a prospect interested enough in the product to click through to the merchant's site, where the merchant will do the selling. Merchants have usually, or hopefully, designed their sales copy to answer all questions a prospect might have, counter all objections they might have, and convert as many of these prospects to sales as possible. Sometimes, you might find an affiliate product where the merchant has created a great product and a good affiliate program, but the sales page itself is simply not up to scratch. In this case, all your efforts to send traffic to the merchant would be undone by a poorly converting sales page. In situations like this, you should think about writing your own pre-sale piece. You can use this to get your prospects in the yes frame of mind before they click through to the merchant site. You could also contact the merchant and ask for a link to their buy button so that you can send your visitors directly to the purchase page and bypass the merchant sale page. It will seem to your visitors as if they're purchasing directly from your website. And because of this, I've put together the 10 steps I believe to are effective in writing a great sales or pre-sale letter. Step number 1, the headline. Write a compelling headline that grabs your reader's attention and makes them want to read the rest of your page. See our lesson on writing effective headlines for some headline ideas. Step number 2, identify with your readers. Describe their pain. For example, are you having trouble with your ABC? Don't you hate it when your DEF and then GHI happens? Aren't you sick and tired of UVW only to find out XYZ? Step number 3, the solution. Then once you've reminded them of their pain, offer them a solution to their pain in the form of the affiliate product. You can briefly describe the key benefits of the product to grab their attention and show how relevant it is to their needs. Step number 4, credentials. You need to offer some credentials of yourself. Why should they be listening to you? Are you some kind of authority? Do you have a lot of experience in this field? Have you suffered from the same problem? You can add credibility to yourself at this stage by including photos, an audio play button, anything that shows that you're a real person and you do actually exist. Step number 5, testimonials. Alternatively, or in addition to the above, you could add some testimonials here. Testimonials are more effective when accompanied by photos, full names, locations, or even audio. If the merchant has testimonials on their site, you might reproduce them on your own site, although this can look a little clumsy. Number 6, benefits, not features. List the benefits of the product. Try to focus more on the benefits than the features. Benefits are what you can do with the features, and they're much more interesting for your reader. For instance, downloadable software is a feature. Get instant access and start learning today is a benefit. Reason number 7, bonuses. Are there any bonuses available with the product? The idea of the bonus is to make the offer seem absolutely irresistible. Even when a bonus product is not sold separately, it should have a dollar value. When the dollar values of all the bonuses are added together, it may even dwarf the purchase price of the actual product. Now that's an irresistible offer. If the merchant isn't offering any bonuses, think about creating your own bonus package. You might pick up some resale rights software or ebook that is relevant to the product, or you could create your own by pulling together some PLR articles into a PDF. Be creative. Tell your visitors that if they buy through the link on this page and then email you, you'll send them the bonus package. If there's a money-back guarantee, sweeten your offer by saying that they can keep your bonus if they decide to return the product. That's no skin off your nose, and it might give the little push that someone needs who's sitting on the fence. Reason number 8, reassurance. Can you reduce your prospect's nervousness in any way? As mentioned above, is there a money-back guarantee associated with the product? Can you reiterate your credibility or the product's credibility? Reason number 9, cost. Now, finally, Tell your prospects how much the product costs. If the merchant has discounted the price, don't forget to mention that. A really good trick is to justify the price of the product. For a $30 product, you could say, for less than dinner for two at so-and-so restaurant, or something like that. Try to make your justification compare to something that is of little lasting benefit, like a meal, a movie ticket, or a haircut. If you say something like, for the same price as a new shirt, or a CD or a cell phone, it seems a lot less enticing. Your prospects may well think, oh, well, actually, I really do need a new shirt or CD or cell phone. Whereas nobody really needs a dinner at so-and-so restaurant. And finally, reason number 10, the PS. Don't forget the PS. Remember, a lot of people scroll to the bottom of the page rather than read the whole thing. So grab them before they click away. Reiterate the important selling points of the product. Appeal to their emotions. Don't you deserve XYZ, for example? Give them something enticing to arouse their curiosity and get them back to read the whole page. For example, don't forget those 5 principles that you must employ to be successful with ABC. Go back and read them again, and so on. And you can have multiple PSs, but it can begin to look a little ridiculous after about the 4th or 5th. And don't shove your entire sales letter in the PS section. And my own little PS, a reminder that PS is followed by PPS, not PSS. If your product isn't really a hard sell kind of product, you might try a softer approach to the pre-sale, such as a full-page review. While full-page comprehensive reviews of affiliate products can be less effective than short reviews at getting your prospects to click through to a merchant's site, they can be quite effective pre-sales if done well. The trick with a review is to tone down the hype. Remember that you're meant to be an unbiased third party with no ulterior motive. For the large part, you can follow the outline prescribed in the last few slides. Just switch off the hype. You can also discuss who the product would be suited to. Mention your own experiences with the product and anything you found to be particularly useful or even annoying. Present the product in an overall positive light, but remember to sound like a real person. I mean, think about those book or movie reviews you read in the newspapers or magazines. They're not all exclamation marks and yellow highlighter. Okay, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. We'll see you again soon, and bye from all of us at Affiliarama